This is a love letter to myself and to every Black woman who's ready to write her own. I think it's imperative to mention that I'm a Gemini with ADHD. I have grabbed a couple of things in my wardrobe that I can safely say I've gotten my money's worth. I'm not here to tell you how you should live your life. I'm here to show you that you can have exactly what you want with the right perspective.
Fall in love again and again. Fall in love again and again. And good morning, everybody.
Okay, you guys, I am dressed for the day.
Good morning, New Yorkers. Looking for another beautiful day here in the city. Clouds to start us off out there. Temperatures staying in the high 40s.
Today for me turned out to be a very productive day. This is my second video that I'm filming, which means that I have content for tomorrow and Wednesday, and it gives me time to start working on another series that I mapped out while I was in bed rot. And I'm really excited. I'm excited for the direction. I'm excited for what I bring to you guys, how I decide to tell my story. Today was a successful day, and I'm very, very happy that I was able to have this chat with you. I hope that you guys will come and sit with me from time to time while I talk about some of the things that are rambling in my head as a Black girl with ADHD. In this season, I'm choosing me, slowing down, pouring into myself, and embracing everything that makes me feel whole. This is a love letter to myself and to every Black woman who's ready to write her own. I'm from humble beginnings, which afforded me a sense of humility, but don't get it twisted, I'm only humble a couple times a year. I'm not afraid to take up space and live as loudly as I feel. I think it's imperative to mention that I'm a Gemini with ADHD. Yeah, I'm a lesbian. I'm married to my beautiful wife, Melissa, and a proud dog mom to a Maltese Shih Tzu mix named Chai. First generation immigrant from a small island called Jamaica. So if you don't speak patois, you're not gonna understand this because some things you just not understand. Some things you just not gonna get. Some things you have to just make it past you because you don't have the sauce. Yeah, patois the sauce. Funny enough, I was raised Christian, but I'm not a Christian. I was a Christian for a long time because that was how I was raised. So as I got into my adulthood in my 20s, I started my deconstruction journey because a big part of who I am is deemed abominable by Christianity. So why would I practice that? I'm a proud non-believer. I do believe in God. I do believe that there is something more, something bigger. Some call it God, some call it Allah, some call it Jesus, they have plenty of names, but they all have male pronouns. Him, he. God is a man, not my God. My God is a woman. And I should get to say that. Some get to call their God him and he. That was a choice. Someone decided to do that. Sometimes I laugh a little too loud, but it's never at anyone. And sometimes I overshare, but that's because I'm not embarrassed. I'm not here to tell you how to live your life. I'm here to show you that you can have exactly what you want with the right perspective. You guys, Melissa brought me a sample. That's good. Yeah, it's really good. Yeah, broccoli, tomatoes, Parmesan cheese on top, a little basil. That's yummy, right? The noodles are good too, a nice bite to it. My wife can cook, okay? And I eat Very good over here. We have a few things to do the next couple days. I want to go through my closet and start moving the summer stuff and start bringing out my fall wardrobe, because yesterday and today felt like fall for the first time, like real fall. I checked the forecast. So tomorrow, the highest it's going to go up for the next few days is 78, which is good, but the lowest is going to be around 53. So it's starting to get chilly. I'm excited for it because there are things that I want to start wearing, and I did give some of my other shoes away, so I still have a few things that I still need to go through. I got rid of my brown loafers because those are a 9, and know that my feet are a little more slender. I'm now a true 8.5. So give it to someone who's actually going to use it and enjoy it. I'm trying to get out of the mindset of what's missing versus using what I have. And that's a cycle I go through with my closet where, hey guys, I have grabbed a couple things in my wardrobe that I can safely say I've gotten my money's worth out of. No questions asked. A couple of them are pretty new. Some you've already seen. I should make a review on this bag because I not only have it in the chocolate brown, I also have it in the taupe. For the fall, excuse me, I've worn it a couple of times this past summer and I truly enjoyed how it just made my outfits just so chic. There are so many different ways to carry this bag and to dress it up, and I think that's the next thing that I want to do. I want to reinvent the things that I already have in my wardrobe. I think I'm going to get her a charm. I'll pop up the one that I'm thinking about. It's on Amazon. I had to mention this bag. Isn't it just perfect? My only thing is, I'm kind of sad that I'm only going to have to wear it with black. Well, I could wear it with these, because this also has some brown going through. Yeah, we're going to have fun this fall. I definitely want to get back into my styling era. I used to make styling videos so much because I genuinely enjoy making styling videos. I talk myself in and out of things, so many things. And if you've been on this channel, you know I go back and forth. I go back and forth all the time with things that I want to do, things that I want to try, I'm all over the place. But I feel like that's what kind of makes this channel interesting. You know what I mean? Next thing that I want to bring some attention to are my Tory Burch ballet flats. These flats are so good. I brought them to Paris and I actually wore them a couple of times while we were there, and I thoroughly enjoy wearing these. I feel like they're very sweet looking, like very cutesy, it gives very much dainty vibes. You can wear it on an everyday basis. It really doesn't require much to style. You can wear it with dresses, skirts, shorts, trousers, literally endless outfit ideas. You'll find that I had to stop myself at one point when I had just gotten them. I had to stop myself and force myself to wear my other things. And that's what makes something a good buy. That you don't have to think about if you're going to wear it or if it makes sense. You know that this is something that's going to literally take you year to year, because I can still wear these in the winter. You know me. I'm going from the apartment to the car, from the car to wherever I'm going. These are going to be something that I'm going to wear full year round. And I'm very happy that I got them in this color. I think it's like a nude pink or a pale pink. I think that's how it's described on the website. First, I was going to go with the tan shade, and something told me not to. I feel like it makes it a little bit more girly. It's like wearing pink shoes, but not. We're gonna move into my favorite category, and that's jeans. I have 3, and I got all 3 from Marshalls. If you're looking for a good pair of jeans, I'd say go into Marshalls and look for the, what's this brand called? The Kenzie brand. Kenzie jeans in Marshalls. They're also in Burlington as well. The size that I'm wearing currently is a size 4, but that's because it has a really good stretch. in those jeans. They fit you so well. I've posted pictures on my Instagram and gotten so many compliments. You guys absolutely love those jeans. I do too. They're from Marshalls. Yeah, get you some. The Kenzie brand is the way to go. They have different designs. They have it in like a cropped version, wide leg, straight leg, skinny jeans. They come in every, whatever your favorite style of denim is, you can get that in a Kenzie jean. I have it in the wide leg. I have it in the straight leg. I have two in the straight leg. And I wore those in so many different ways. Like I said, if you're in the market for jeans and you want to maybe try on some jeans before deciding to buy jeans online and see what actually fits and see what's actually available to you, go to Marshalls or Burlington and just go through their jeans rack, try on a couple things, see what fits you, see what your dimensions are, your sizes are, and that will put you in a better position to know how to shop if you prefer shopping online. The last thing that I have in this favorite section of this video is my electric razor. When I tell you, I was very, very fearful of using something unfamiliar on my pubic hair because I have very tightly coiled hair. The wrong decision can have me very uncomfortable for a long time, and I don't want to be worrying about it. My mom uses it and she told me that it works perfectly for her, and she ended up getting me this for my birthday. I decided to give it a try, and it's the best thing that this is the only way I remove hair from my body. It has the razor side, and then it has the smoothing side. As a girl with facial hair, it's so easy to maintain. I go over with the buff inside, just cleans everything right up. It's not pulling, it's not tugging, it's literally cutting it down so it's nice and flushed with the skin, and it's the best thing ever. It's not cutting it at an angle, it's not doing anything weird for the hair to regrow into the skin or to turn back into the skin. It's not doing anything like that. If you are a black girl with coarse hair or a black girl with tightly coiled hair all over her body, or you have facial hair and you're looking for a solution that is you plug it in, it comes with a charger, you plug it in, it charges, and you're good to go. I don't have to charge this for weeks. No razor bumps, no ingrown hair. If you are a frequent scroller on TikTok and these come across your TikTok For You page or the ads, AKUNBEM, a Kunbem brand, but you can also find it on Amazon. I'll try to see if I can link my mom's TikTok shop in the description. If not, buy it off TikTok or just get it off Amazon. Hey you guys, long time don't see. I don't even know what day it is in this vlog right now. I just know that we're heading to an infamous seafood spot in New York. It's been featured in the New York Times. I've seen so many TikToks about it. We actually came super late to Melissa's work event that I crash every year. The food was finished, party was over, so like, you know what, since we're in Astoria, I might as well go and check out Hamido seafood restaurant. It's only 8 minutes away. We're gonna go check it out. I figured I would just go ahead and just record since I haven't been vlogging off late, plus my outfit is cute.
Stop spending time with people you don't want to be like. Stop wasting energy on people you don't admire.
The lighting here is so good, by the way. I feel like It's just so like super clean. I love the decor. It gives very bit of radiant coastal vibes. So you have two options. You can order off menu, or you can go to the market in the back and you can choose what you want, and then they'll make it to order for you and then bring it to your table. I think it's a really cool. I think it's a really cool concept. I think you guys example clearly, but yeah. So we got a whole snapper, which is gonna be butterflies and be cut open and in a butterfly style, seasoned and grilled. Then we got scallops, tiger shrimp, and mussels. I'm very excited for. Everything is gonna be seasoned to perfection, grilled up nicely, and brought towards you.
In my world, only you make me do what I would not do. Now my friends wonder what is wrong with me. Well, I'm in a day when your love sees. Now I came back to let you know. Got a thing for you, and I can't go. What you won't do for love. You tried everything, but you won't give up. And in my world, only you make me do for love what I would not do.
Stop building connections with people who only drain your confidence. Stop investing in circles
So what did
that
you get?
make you
I got the
smaller
passion fruit sorbet.
instead of braver.
And good morning, everybody. It is a beautiful Sunday morning. I'm about to go and make us some breakfast. But first some skincare. The plan was for us to go apple picking today, but apparently it's going to be raining pretty terribly today, like really bad. However, going to go and watch a movie. Tron is out. When I was a teenager, I was very much obsessed with the first Tron, so I'm very excited to go and see that today. Oh my god, my skin looks exceptional actually. I got the tiniest little pimple here, and all I did was just spot treat it with a bit of hyaluronic acid, and then I tapped just a slightest bit of tretinoin, and then I went to bed last night, and honestly it's basically gone. Like it's, yeah. And honestly that's my secret to minimal scarring. You guys know that I get really bad like ingrown hairs under my chin. Since getting this, I use this all over my body. Like this is what I use for hair remover. I only use a manual razor on my legs, but everywhere else I use this. It's a gadget, like so. And that's it. Super easy.
No lie, this morning woke up kinda heavy. Thoughts flood in my brain, almost broke a levee. Let me get steady, let me center myself. Before I do for anybody else, let me consider myself. Check my mental health, self. How's your heart? How you feeling today? What's your capacity for humans? What's your ceiling today? Before you think about them bills, what you building today? Find your flow, don't let them stones they throw get in your way. Weights on my shoulders, let me go to the gym. Let me dig in a good book. Let me find me some gems. Let me replant myself, yeah. Let me water my stem. You lay my root chakra. I know that it's been running on E. I've been fuming. Know the vibes golly. Seem like they forgetting that I'm human. Assuming that I don't need solitude and silence. Before I choose violence, I meditate and pray. I went for a walk. I heard the elders say, "Set yourself down next up the sun."
Coffee person. And I figured we could do a little tea before we can have coffee with breakfast.
Kiss it better, baby. Kiss it better, baby. Been waiting on that sunshine, but I think I need that back. Can't do it like that. No one else gon' get it like that. So I argue, you yeah, but you take me back. Who cares when it feels like crack? Well, you know that you always do it right. Man, fuck your pride. Just take it on back, boy. Take it on back, boy. Take it back all night. Just take it on back. Take it on back. Turn vibe and it hurts side when I look you in your eye. What are you willing to do? Oh, tell me what you're willing to do. Kiss it, baby. What are you willing to do? Oh, tell me what you're willing to do. Kiss it, baby. Been waiting on that sunshine, boy. I think I need that back. Can't do it like that. No one else gon' get it like that. So why are you here? Here to take me back. Who cares when it feels like crack? Well, you know that you always do it right. Man, fuck your pride. Just take it on back, boy. Take it on back, boy. Take it back all night. Just take it on back. Take it on back. Do what you gotta do. Keep me up all night. Turn vibe and it hurts side when I look you in your eye. What are you willing to do?
I'm getting ready to go out with Melissa to go to a birthday get together or hang out at a lounge close by. I was super surprised when she told me which lounge it was. The lounge is literally 5 blocks away. Which is great, you know, it means that I can take my time to get ready. I have about an hour. I haven't really had a reason to get dressed up of late. I've pretty much just been in the house, literally in the house, which is not a bad place to be, because being in the house, I am able to get so much done, at least force myself to get the things that I need to get done. One thing was switching out my closet. My fall closet is finally out and I feel so excited and just, I'm in the fall mood. I feel like I wasn't feeling the fall spirit because all my fall winter stuff was still packed away. So now that I have everything out and I'm seeing all the things that I can, you know, wear, and I'm getting excited. I work from home for the most part, and if Melissa doesn't need me to come out of the house with her for whatever reason, I'm in the house. I want to find things that we can do together while I'm at home. I'll figure that out so we can spend more time together, because I absolutely love it that you're here. I don't want to take that for granted. Right now, I'm about to style my hair and do my makeup. When I mean style my hair, I mean get my hair wet, add some mousse, and then I literally just add it to sections of my hair. I'm not trying to define my entire head, just certain pieces, at least the pieces on top. I still want it to be big. And then I find little chunky pieces and twist. And while my hair does its thing, I'll pin my bang away so I can do my makeup. I'm just going to do my signature makeup look. My signature makeup. What makes this my signature makeup look? I do this no matter where I'm going. If I'm really doing my makeup, like I want to feel dolled up, this is the makeup routine I'm doing. Depending on where I'm going, I might do a little bit of shadow and maybe a fun lip. 5 to 10 minutes type of vibe. She eats every time. Every time.
I've been knowing you for long enough, damn, I need you right now. You can take your time, don't have to rush, this might take us a while, yeah. I left all the doors unlocked and you said you're on your way. When you get here, don't you say a word, had no time to play. I know you think that you know me, but you ain't even seen my dark side. It's reserved for you only, so baby do it right, do me right. We can go
I should probably put you guys on a tripod. Should I put you guys on a tripod? I can't be bothered. Okay. Let's get dressed. Here I go with this little mini pleated skirt from Club Monaco, and my turtleneck is from H&M. Look how stinking cute is this skirt, and it has pockets. Before I put on my shoes, let's just quickly put on jewelry. So let's just go for these that I got in Paris. A statement earring, but still, you know? So I've been absolutely loving this stack spinelli dupe ring, and I decided to go with my Bernie watch, and I paired it with a gold bracelet, a tennis bracelet, and then that is my little stack for tonight. I think it's very pretty. Let's go pick out shoes. Okay, so let's wear these tonight. I currently have them stuffed with shopping bags so they can stay up. Okay, and for bag, I think I'm just going to go with this little Bottega dupe. I actually really love this outfit. Alright, I'm going to pack my bag. I'm gonna go do a couple of videos for like stories and reels and stuff like that. I'll see you guys in the car. Are you ready, babes?
Yes. Yo, Cash, you made this beat?
Wait, you guys, we purposely came late. The invite said location 9 p.m. It's now 9:42. Here, the people over there work here.
Baby boy, you stay on my mind, fulfill my fantasy.
twice a day.
I think about you all the time. I see you in my dreams.
Our arm come out our wrinkles. Okay, you guys, I am dressed for the day. Navy turtleneck sweater is from H&M. Jeans are from Marshalls. My navy rain boots are also from Marshall, but I believe they're Tommy Hilfiger. Yes, they are. I'm going to wear my chocolate brown. Clementine bag and my cute chunky scarf. Super cute. For jewelry, this gold earring, which was gifted to me by Sabrina Vintage Jewelry Store on Whatnot. I bought my pearl necklace from her, and then she sent me these gold earrings. They're so cute. So if you see this girl, thank you. Love them. On the wrist, bracelets from Coach and Tory Burch. My new JBW watch. This is the first time I'm actually wearing this watch. Let's do Oud Vanille, and I'm gonna layer it with my Club Inuit. Alright, let's go.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit.